What's up guys? Okay, so today was a pretty good day in the market for me. Overall, the market was pretty slow and choppy from the open. There wasn't a ton of good setups going on, but I did notice NETE looking like it was about to push and try for that $1 break, and so I got in at 94 cents with 100 shares. Right after I got in, Ustock labeled this stock limited liquidity, and if you don't know what that means I can only exit via limit order. I can't get out via market order, which was a little bit worrisome just because if it had started to tank, I probably would have taken a little bit larger loss than I would have if I could have gotten out via limit. Still, I didn't have to worry about that because it eventually pushed up and made that $1 break like I was looking for. At one point in this trade, I was up about $7.50, but I held it seeing if it would continue to go up, and ultimately it just couldn't hold that $1 as support, and so it washed it back down under it, and I ended up exiting at about 96 cents for a 100% break-even trade after commissions. Looking back, I can't complain too much because I didn't lose money, and so overall I'm happy with it for the most part. My next trade I didn't catch on video. You can see on the left side of the screen on SYRS, my first trade at the bottom was at 12:18 p.m. and I got in with 65 shares at about $12.08, and I wrote it until 12:28 p.m. with my 65 shares and exited at about $12.40 for about a $15 or $20 profit. So on my next trade, I was still watching SYRS, and I got in at about $12.65 with 20 shares. At one point, it continued pushing up, reaching that $12.79 area where I added another 30 shares, making my full position size 50 shares at this point. I held it for a little bit longer. I probably held this stock for about 2 or 3 minutes after that, and it continued to push in my direction, reaching the 1290s. And so at that point, I started to look for an exit. I let it sit there as it teetered back and forth between that 1290 and 1292 area for a few more minutes, but ultimately once it couldn't break over that point after holding it for so long, I just decided to exit at 1292 for a $7 or $8 profit. Okay, so my last trade from today was on SYRS again. Sorry I didn't get the entry to a lot of these trades on video. I really wasn't planning on getting back in anything after a lot of these, and so I got in the 1290s looking for it to break over that $13 resistance. It teetered around that $13 point for a few minutes, and I probably held this one much longer than the other ones. I probably held it for 10 or 15 minutes, but eventually it made that big push that I was looking for, and it broke over that 13.10 cent area and continued pushing up to the 13.20s. At that point, I was already up a decent amount on the day, and so I just decided to take my profits at $13.24 for a $7 profit on my small Ustock account. So today was a great day. I ended the day up about $40, so that's a 2.8% increase compared to my $1,430 Ustock account, and so overall it was a good day. Be sure to come check out our free day trading chat room. I post a link in each video's description, and make sure you like and subscribe if you want to help support these videos. Thanks guys, and good luck in the markets.